Hello, Tim. Thank you. We've got some new products in from OBSBOT, just announced today. It's the new OBSBOT Meet SE and Tiny SE. Not only that, we've got the little tiny Smart 2 remote. Right, we'll have a look at this first. This is just a quick first look and unboxing for the full reviews, which will be in the not too distant future. So in here we've got the remote itself, like so. P1, P2, P3, 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got a navi keys here, plus and minus, track, close up, hand, and so on. And you can page here. Nice and tactile buttons there. And that's it. So you will need batteries. You've got a little dongle here as well to get moving, and of course you have got an instruction book in there which doesn't want to come out. There you go. But we'll have more on that in the full review. As I said, just a quick first look and unboxing of what's new. So this is the OBSBOT Meet SE, and you've got all these pieces inside which we're going to check out. This again is the latest on offer. Brilliance in every frame, and look how small that is. So that is the actual guy itself. You've got tripod mount there, charging on the back, or power. Got your little holder here to put on the top of your laptop, whatever the case is. That's it there. And in here, nothing else underneath. So you've got Meet SE and download there, and that's to scan them codes. And in this little box we have got cables and of course another adapter dongle thing there. So we've got USB-C, USB-C, and you have got in here a little OBSBOT. I presume that's for the privacy camera. Yeah, that's the privacy cover, and that's that there. So that's what you're going to get in this. So just pop all them back in like so. Pop that back in there. So that's that guy, and this is the OBSBOT Tiny SE. So same presentation. And there we are. Look at this guy. Spins around. Multi-axis. Again, you've got a tripod mount. And let's get out the rest. Again, you've got the apps down there to download. Alright, we'll just pull this one out. Whoops. Your booklet and information there, same as well as the last one. That's it there. And again, you probably have similar stuff in here. I'd like to open these without wrecking them. So you got your dongle adapter and USB-C, USB-C. These look like decent length cables as well. So that's basically what you're going to get in the box there, pretty much the same as the other one, except there's no privacy cover there on that particular package. So this is what we're looking at from OBSBOT, the latest on offer. They are pretty small, guys. They're pretty cool looking. It's like a little mini dash cam camera kind of thing, that looks like. And that's the other guy, which looks pretty cool as well. Very light as well. And that's it. So stay tuned for full review soon. Any questions, do drop them in the comments below, and we'll speak to you in the next video. Thanks for watching.